tire slime spare kit. I think that for $20, it's an excellent thing to keep in the back of your trunk in the event that you come into an emergency or you have a flat that you can't change due to weather, traffic, etc., etc. Unfortunately, the tire kit just simply did not hold, and after about 2 weeks, my light came back on, and I needed to use a more permanent solution. That being said, this is my personal experience with green slime, and I would love to hear how it worked or didn't work for you.